A unified team culture where they're getting stuff done and they're creating impact is what any leader or team members want to be a part of. But divisiveness is something that can easily tear a team apart. Then people stop working collaboratively with one another. They create more distance and start working in silos. They start getting angry and frustrated at one another, getting people feeling upset, annoyed, confused, and it just kills the productivity of the team. My name is Michael Vargas, and I'm a business consultant who works to develop collaborative and productive team cultures. And figuring out how to get rid of the divisiveness of a team can be really challenging. And so I'm going to talk about where the divisiveness often comes from, how you can understand it, and then what you can do to start getting rid of it and create more collaboration and more productivity. So in order for there to be a divisiveness, first you have to have a group. And this group is connected to a group of, or someone is connected to a group of people because they share the same values. They share the same beliefs and so on and so forth. That's how we connect. And because I believe a certain way, and you believe the same way, that also then means that we're right. We're right. We know what's going on. We know what's happening. But then you have another group of people who have different values and different beliefs. And so if what they have is different from me and I'm right, well, they have to be wrong. There's no other way for it to be. This is the first layer of the mindset that is creating division within teams. I'm connected with this group of people. We share the same beliefs. We're right. They have different values. They must be wrong. Because there's no way that they're right. Because if they're right, then I'm wrong. And there's no way that that's happening. Now, the deeper layer, the next layer that creates an extreme divisiveness within teams is the assigning of morality. The idea that right is good and wrong is bad. This is what can create such a huge division, and I've seen it so many times. There is no way that they are right, because if they're right, that means that they are good. And if they are good and right, then I am wrong and bad. There is no way that's happening. I'm right, I'm good, they're wrong, they're bad. And this cycle just keeps going on and on and on, creating huge divisions in teams. And if you worked with a team where there was some divisiveness, I'm sure you believe this makes sense. Now, what we want to do at this point is start to try to remove the morality and the right versus wrong mentality. Just because we have different opinions and different values and beliefs doesn't mean that either of us are right or wrong or bad or good. It just simply means that we're different. And it's with those differences where the opportunity truly lies. Because if I can only see this much and someone has different values and beliefs, they can see more as well. So we combine what it is that we see so that we can get more closer to the truth of what's going on as a team, so we can see the bigger picture as a team, so we can have bigger impact as a unified team. It's the divisiveness, the us versus them mentality that is going to kill a team's productivity. But if we can identify an us, a togetherness, a we, then we can defeat divisiveness and create the impact that we're looking for. Thank you so much for listening. And if you are wanting to learn more about team culture, you can visit us at leadbyimpact.com. Thank you.